Nobody ever talks about how hard it is to start over. Like I was thinking about it, like people would rather stay in bad relationships. They'd rather work a bad job. They'd rather live with bad health, all because it's so easy to stay comfortable. Like it's so easy to stay where you are, to stay stagnant. And I get it, like starting over is hard. Like it's messy, it's exhausting. You got to put work in, you got to schedule things out. Like I get it, like I completely understand. Like it's right now is 1 o'clock in the morning. I would rather be in my bed sleep. I got to be up at 6 o'clock in the morning. But I also understand that this is a part of the process. Like I understand that I can't just pray and then that be it. And I'm not dissing prayer. Like I encourage you to pray. I encourage you to have a relationship with Jesus. What I'm saying is this right here. After you pray, get to work. So listen, if you're in a season where I am right now, like I just relaunched my clothing brand. It's been 4 years since we actually shipped out a single item. It's been 4 years since New Era Hope shipped out anything. So I understand it's hard, like rebuilding trust, like talking to customers again. They like, where y'all been? Like, I get it. Like, I understand. But it's a couple things I want you to know. If God told you to do it, like if you trust his plan, if you trust his timing, when you get back, you'll be better than you were before. So trust God and get to work. Let's go.